Hey, what's going on everybody? My name's Landon and I'm here with Cape Fear Customs to show you our product of the week. So we have a Jeep TJ here that we are doing a full suspension build on. We're going to be installing some heavy aggressive bigger tires on it, and because of that we're going to need to upgrade the customer steering components. Today we have the Synergy tie rod, drag link, and steering stabilizer relocation. What this is going to do is this is going to help give a more solid feel while driving down the road. It's going to prevent bump steer, it's going to prevent death wobble, and just give an overall better control of the vehicle while driving down the highway. So the first part we have here is the Synergy chromoly treated tie rod. We have metal tie rod ends, metal on metal. It's going to give extreme durability. We also have the Synergy double nut adjustable drag link, so that way you can adjust the drag link while it's on the vehicle. And it also comes with the Synergy steering stabilizer relocation clamp, so that way you can adjust your Fox steering stabilizer and get a nice comfortable feel while you're driving. All these parts are made in the USA. They are powder coated, super durable against corrosion and abrasion, and they're just wonderful for making your drive Jeep how a vehicle should drive. Alright, so Synergy offers these products for a wide variety of vehicles. So if you'd like to get your vehicle outfitted with them, please call us or come in today. Thank you.